Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I partnered up with Super Clean to demonstrate the cleaning power of their Super Clean products. Now they sent over a Super Clean Aerosol can and the Super Clean Original. Now, I'm going to put these to the test on the stuff I use in my smoker. What you see in front of you is my drip pan, my water pan. I also have 3 heavy duty grates that I use a lot in my smokes. I use these on my gravity fed smoker. And last but not least, I also have this, it's kind of like a heat deflector. This thing, everything falls on it. It's towards the bottom of my smoker, so it has all the nice little bits and pieces of the smoke. Now, what I did do before I put these products up here is I scraped off as much as I could because I wanted the degreaser to get into the metal itself. We're gonna start off with this heat deflector. Remember, this is one that goes at the very bottom. All the drippings, everything lands on this bad boy. So I'm gonna apply the aerosol first, let it seep in a little bit, and then show you what this product actually does. It's super clean. Now, not only do they have these 2 available that I'm showing you here that I am showcasing, but they also have a foaming trigger. They have a floor absorbent, and they also have a all-wheel cleaner. Now, at random, I am going to be selecting a winner from somebody who comments on this video to get their very own Super Clean Aerosol can and the original degreaser. I will be fast forwarding this a little bit so you guys can see the time lapse a little bit faster. So for this one, I'm just going to spray it down. Just what I want you to notice is all that good stuff coming towards the bottom where my table is. Look at all that grease just coming off, and this is just applying a little bit of water, not too much pressure, just a little bit of water. Now I'm gonna hit it with the Super Clean Original Degreaser. This one, you can't really see it as much because it's not foaming, but it applies the same way. It has 2 different modes. It has the straight stream, and it also has the spray mode, kind of like the misting mode. Now I'll put a little bit of elbow grease in it just to give it a little bit of that extra little help to try to remove as much as possible. And this is where the magic happens. Check out all that grease that's gonna be coming down on my table. That's some nasty stuff right there. Don't forget to comment on this video so I am gonna be randomly selecting a winner from the comments below to get their very own ship directly from Super Clean. Hit it one more time with the foam degreaser. Rub that one down a little bit too. You can see there's still some grease there. Give it a little rinse. All right, moving forward, I'm going to be doing the same exact thing to my water pan. Rub it down. Rinse it off. And we're also going to be doing this to my grates. Now, the grates are a little bit harder to tell because the surface area is a little bit thinner, but you'll still be able to see where all that grease is coming off of it. Water it down, get some of that stuff off. Now I'm going to use a regular degreaser, spray it on, and let it work for a little bit, and then rub as much of it off as possible. Didn't realize that there was water droplets on my screen here. Sorry about that. Look at all that grease on the bottom. Rinse it down. Look at all that gooey, ooey, gooey good stuff. And we're going to be doing the aerosol can again, just one more time, just for good measure. Water that down. I don't know if you can tell the difference. I know that the lighting is not that good here, but there is a difference between the one in the front and one in the back. The one in the back is the one I just cleaned. All right, I'm just going to continue doing this to all my other grates here, but this was a super clean demo. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Remember, I will be selecting a winner at random to get your very own Super Clean Aerosol can and your original Super Clean degreaser. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the flip side.